Hello students, this is our Excel help video, 7th grade, V.6, write a linear function. So if we're going to write a linear function, a couple things that we need. Let's talk first about what form we're going to use. It's asking us for slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form for a line is y equals mx plus b. And what we need is we need the m and we need the b. The m is the slope. So the first thing we do is we look at the graph and we determine the slope. And then the b is the y-intercept, which is just where the line crosses the y-axis. So we need those two things to be able to write it in slope-intercept form. So let's find our slope first. If you remember, when we did slope from a graph, we just looked at one point. We were looking at where these horizontal and vertical lines intersect. There's an intersection and there's another intersection. And I'm going to go up one and to the right one. Up one, to the right one. That's just 1 over 1, which is a slope of 1. So my m equals 1. My b is my y-intercept, and that's right here. And that is at -3. So my b is -3. So then when I write it in slope-intercept form, I'm going to say y equals, whoops, let me get out of my caps lock, y equals, and then I'm going to use my 1, but I don't need to type in the 1 because 1x is just x. I'm just going to type x, and then my y-intercept is a negative number, so I'm not going to put plus -3, I'm just going to put -3. So y equals x minus 3 should be our slope-intercept form equation. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so notice that these are counting by tens, but my b is 0, so the y-intercept is 0. I need to find the m, or the slope. So let's see, I'm gonna go from here to here. So I'm gonna go up 10, 20, 30, 40, up 40, and then to the right, 10. So this is positive 40 divided by positive 10, which is just 4. So my equation, y equals mx plus b, y equals, m was 4x, and then plus 0, we don't need to write plus 0, so we can just leave it, y equals 4x. I think we'll jump a level. Let's see what we get. Okay. Oh, these are counting by hundreds. Okay. All right. My b is still 0, so the y-intercept is 0. And then let's see, my slope, I'm going to go from here. Where's another intersection? The next intersection is right here. So I'm going up 100, and then right 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So that these zeros cancel out. This is a positive, so this is a positive 1/5. Okay. So our equation is y equals 1/5 x. I guess I'm supposed to do it that way. It doesn't give me a chance to do fractions. And then plus 0 again. We don't need to enter plus 0. We can just leave it y equals 1/5 x. Okay, I jumped another level. So I want you to notice that these are counting by tens, and these are the x-axis is by tens, the y-axis is by tens. Just be careful when you see something like this that you make sure you understand what the scale is. All right, so my b is -50, my y-intercept. Let's find the slope. I'm going to go from here to here. So I'm going up 20 and to the left 10. If I had gone here, I would have gone down 20 and to the right 10. But what I need to understand is this is a positive 20 and this is a negative 10 because left is a negative direction. The zeros cancel out. So I've got -2 over 1, which is just 2. 2 divided by -1 is, I'm sorry, -2, not 2, -2. So m equals -2. So when I enter that in slope-intercept form, it's going to be y equals -2x minus, be sure you do minus 50 for the -50. Okay, I think we'll stop there. Let me know if you have any questions.